Hi, my name is Matthew Silverman, and today I'm going to show you how to roast a boneless leg of lamb. This recipe will show you how to keep it moist and tender in the oven. In this recipe, one of the most important things is to make sure that your lamb is uniform in size and thickness so that it roasts evenly. First thing you want to do is take one boneless leg of lamb, open up the lamb, cut it so that it becomes a uniform thickness, and season the inside. We season the inside with half a cup of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of rosemary chopped, 4 tablespoons of thyme chopped, 1 ounce of shallots chopped, 1 ounce of garlic chopped, and salt and pepper. These ingredients season the inside and the outside of the lamb. We then roll the lamb and tie with butcher's twine. We place the leg of lamb on a roasting pan on top of a wire rack in the oven at 325 degrees and roast until it's a good medium rare.